folks. I mean Mayo. Jokes aside, not financial advice. Let's begin. Today we have some big news about ByBit, how to make money without trading, and an in-depth video on that coming out tomorrow, as well as new MarketCipher indicators that are helping us find beautiful positions on projects that are a little bit late to the pump party. Let's get into it. So right now we're gonna find our project. So we're gonna move over to Coin360 and let's look for our project. There's a lot of green. Gosh, gotta love the market when it looks this green. But what is, well, this is red. Can't trade that. What is tradable? Oh, would you look at that? There's a tradable asset. In the red, late to the pump party, down 2.5%. I think that's worth looking into. What do you guys say? Let's see if we can trade it. Go over here to ByBit. Speaking of ByBit, we have the ByBit Balance Booster. This is where you're going to find out in tomorrow's video how to make money without trading on ByBit. Brilliant opportunities. Highly recommend you guys stay tuned. Look forward to that tomorrow. But first things first, we are trading today. So we're going to go over and go to trade USDT perpetual down to UNI versus USDT. Over here, we can find that we have some nice opportunities showing up. This looks good. We like that we can trade it. But let's look into what our new MarketCipher indicators show. So we come over here, we go to UNI on our ByBit chart, and we can see currently UNI is starting to turn around. And what are these numbers? Well, these are numbers you're going to be able to find more out about tomorrow, as we have an in-depth video on the new indicators MarketCipher has put out for us. And if you're interested in MarketCipher, please go ahead, click the link below. It'll take you right to MarketCipher. You can sign up. It's currently, if you click the link, you get, I believe, a discount. I don't want to misquote myself, but you do get a discount if you click the link below. And it has been a game changer in our trading, and so highly recommend it. Go ahead, check it out. But if you are familiar with MarketCipher already, you'll understand that right now a 16 with a -5 is a great opportunity to enter a long position. So we want to go ahead and move back over to ByBit, and we would set up a long position. Go ahead and limit order. I would go ahead and make a order somewhere around the 42 range. I like 41.91. We would place that here, 41.91. The quantity we'd want to make an order, if you go ahead and you order 10 UNI on an isolated 10x trade, that's going to be an order value of $420, and that's going to cost you $42. So that is how you can quickly and efficiently long and trade Uniswap right now, and do it on ByBit. Like I said, please, if you are unfamiliar with ByBit, click our link below. It'll take you right to it. We also offer a discount if you use the link, and MarketCipher as well. Hope that was a fun tutorial for everyone. Please stay tuned for our videos coming out tomorrow, in-depth tutorials. Nothing but love. C3 over and out.